Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video today, I just wanted to catch up with you guys and just briefly touch on a few kind of matters regarding me and my channel. I just wanted to kind of have a little catch up. We have lots of catch ups, don't we? But I just wanted to kind of just, get your kind of input on where to go next with my channel, what you're enjoying, what you're not. I just wanted to talk to you about, what's going on with me as well. So, I just wanted to, say hello to everyone, and I really do appreciate everyone's support with every video that I'm putting out. I'm really starting to kind of get a feel for YouTube. I just wanted to talk to you about how kind of YouTube has how I've learned so many things from YouTube as well. I've kind of grown with YouTube. I've been doing it for about a year now. And for some people that doesn't seem a long time. But for me, it's flown past. Because it was my anniversary on YouTube in June. Or was it July? Because we're in July now. But, and I just want to I don't know. I just wanted to kind of, I don't know what this video is about, guys. If I'm honest, I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys. I might just title it kind of random, I don't know what I'm doing kind of thing, because I don't know, like there is no kind of agenda for this video. But I just wanted to kind of talk to you. My hair looks hideous. I can't wait to get it redone. It's looking really yellow. So I just wanted to kind of talk to you about how YouTube has kind of shaped me as a person, basically. So I've always been kind of very kind of confident person. That's a lie, actually. I used to be very, very shy at school. I got really badly bullied, and I kind of was feeling very kind of on edge at school. I wasn't very happy. I'm having a problem with fucking lips again. So guys, this lipstick, by the way, is the Toffee by Pint Size Fash TV. And I actually went on the website today to order the boho one, and they're all sold out. So, if you're seeing this, Layla, please can you kind of sort me out with one of these? Like, I am dying. So I've got it on my lips today. I only ever outline my lips with a contour with a lip liner now. I don't really wear lipsticks or lip stains or liquid lipsticks. I just think it looks, I think the vibe now, guys, check on this, is to wear a lip pencil, but not on your lip. So basically on the outer rims, on the Cupid's bow, and then the side. And the rest, I kind of smudge away, or kind of, so it looks more natural. And it kind of emphasizes kind of your lips. It just makes everything kind of subtle, not subtle. It makes everything just like uniform and like go together really, really well. So that is my kind of tip of 2019. No, that's my kind of tip. So I just love this. I don't want it to go down, because you have to sharpen it. I'm like dying. So I'm just, I'll link the video now, actually, for the video that I reviewed her lip pencil. Oh my God, it's just the best. Literally, it's the most amazing colour. Anyway, I'm going on a tangent. But yeah, the boho lip pencil, please, if you've got, if there's one lying around, please send me it. I'd love it. I'm so gutted. I literally went, because she restocked. And then I went kind of a couple of days after and it wasn't there. Anyway, sod's law. So, on my eyes as well, guys, I'm wearing some eyeshadow. So I'm wearing, can you see? I don't like this ring light. It's not very strong, is it? I like to see the ring lights in my eye, in my pupils, if you know what I mean, but you can't really see them that well. So, I'm just wearing some Orange Punch from the Lemonade palette on my eyeshadow, on my eyelids, because I don't really wear eyeshadow anymore. But I need to start getting back into it now. I have, now summer's here. I need to stop touching my hair as well. Like, a lot of people are telling me I need to stop touching my hair. But it's just one of those things. It's like, I'm not doing it to annoy you. It's just kind of a comfort thing. I don't know what it is. Because I always think it looks horrible. So I'm not trying to constantly fix it. So, yeah, guys. So, yeah, when I first started YouTube, I was very I was confident with my friends. But if you saw, to me now, turning on the camera is like second nature to me. I've been so natural and so used to it. Before, it was such an effort. Like, I literally had filmed, I remember, that 30 seconds intro video about my channel, and it took me like an hour, and I was like doing takes after take after take. Like, that would take me 2 seconds now. And it's really cringy to look at, like, oh, please don't look at the video. Do you know what I look like? Everyone says I look like The Grudge. You know, like The Grudge, because my hair was just a mess. I don't know what stage I was in. I was in a weird kind of stage back then. I was very kind of, I don't know, I wasn't happy, I don't think. Because, like, my makeup was nothing. My eyebrows were, like, so bushy. Like, I had no lips, no fillers. I looked horrible. So, yeah, I've just come such a long way. And I think YouTube is a good confidence booster for anyone who's feeling kind of, you know, that they need to be... I don't know. I always found that there was something missing in my life. And I don't want to get upset now, but, God... Like, I'm going through quite a lot of rubbish in life at the minute. And YouTube, for me now, is kind of... sorry, guys. If it wasn't for your support, guys, I don't know where I'd be. Like, so I was thinking about this last night. I thought, you know, what video can I make for my audience, you know? And, you know, coming on here every single video being cheesy, saying that thank you so much. I know it kind of is, like, a bit cheesy, but I do really, really mean it, guys. So, yeah, YouTube has been my kind of... I like my hair like this. So YouTube has actually been my kind of, you know, coping mechanism through everything that I'm going through at the minute. Like, the way I'm feeling, I'm feeling very depressed lately. Like, I haven't been feeling depressed for a long time. Like, I'm quite, you know, I have quite a lot of anxiety, but this depression is creeping up again, and it's really kind of testing me. So anyway, I don't want to turn this video into a sad video, but you know, my YouTube has just meant a lot to me, and I've come along such a long way. Such a long way, and I think anyone should do it. Anyone who's feeling, you know, kind of, you know, like they need some kind of, like, purpose, just switch on the camera. You don't have to be great at it, but I'll guarantee in 3 or 4 or 5 videos you will have mastered it. I mean, it's so easy to talk to. It's just, I feel like I don't go out of my mind because I can actually speak to someone like I'm speaking to you guys. It's really, really nice. The second thing I wanted to talk about was my channel and my direction of my channel. So I want to know, guys, because polls don't really help me because I've tried to do a few of those. I want to know what you kind of want to see from me. So because I feel at the minute I'm in a bit of a predicament because I'm doing a lot of mukbangs, and I don't want my channel to be primarily about mukbangs. I want it to be a mix, but I'm really enjoying the mukbangs. So what do you want to see from me? Do you want to see what I eat in a day? Do you want to see more makeup tutorials? Do you want to see more get ready with me? Like, what would you want me to kind of do? Like, do you want me to review new things? Like, what would you like me to kind of, where would you like this channel to go? Because I don't want to turn it into a mukbang channel, but I am aware I'm doing a few mukbangs lately, and I really do enjoy them. So please let me know. What would you like to know from me? Would you like to see anything from me? Like, we're working together here, so I really want to kind of provide to you really positive content, because lately I do feel like I've had a bit of a brain block. I don't know why. I've brainstormed a few ideas, so that isn't food related, because I want to kind of bring it back to, you know, why I did this channel in the beginning, and it was because of makeup and get ready with me's and outfits of the days. And I still want to do mukbangs, of course. Like, I will never give them up. I think they're amazing. But yeah, guys, I just want to, you know, kind of get your feedback. You know, how do you think I'm doing? What can I do better? I know I need to stop touching my hair and preening and pouting, but that's just me. It's just the way I am. It doesn't cause anyone damage or any harm, so, you know. So yeah, this video, I don't know what to think of it. I don't know what to call it. Just trying to think if there's anything else to talk about on YouTube. There doesn't seem to be any dramas around lately, does there? Not really. Everything seems to have settled, I think. There was this thing about Pink SAMR or something, SASAMR. I don't understand what she's about. She's kind of taking everyone's channels down. I don't know what that's about. I'm struggling to understand what that's about. But yeah, I mean, seems to be quite steady in YouTube lately. So thank you guys for watching my little kind of ramble. Life is really difficult and really hard, and you know, there's days where I literally don't want to get out of bed. There's days where, you know, we all go through stuff like that though. So, but I just want to say, you know, what I was trying to say before is like, you guys kind of make me get up in the morning and put my makeup on and do a video, even if it is for a video. You know, just know that you guys are really helping me at the minute to kind of overcome this kind of depression. And you don't need to be worried about me, because I do kind of have these bouts of depression and I do lift myself off them. It's just natural. And it's something I've kind of known to kind of accept. So don't feel kind of worried about me. I'll be absolutely fine. You know, my videos will still be going. So thank you so much, guys. Oh, one more thing. Shit, I forgot. I want to know what you want to be called. I want to give you a name. You know, like Divine Munches has, you know, the Munchlings. I think it's Munchlings. What does Trisha have? Like Trishies, Fishies. I want to know what I can call you guys. I wanted to kind of like call you something. So, you know, please let me know. I want to kind of put a name to a face. I want you to be my little tribe, if you know what I mean. So please let me know what you want me to call you guys within reason and not stupid and rude, you know what I mean. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Any suggestions, please write down below. I'd love to have a conversation with you guys, you know. Click the notification bell to be notified when I next upload. And I will see you in my next video.